stop what you're doing. If you buy ham radio gear or electronics, this is the smartest move you can make before midnight tomorrow. Gigaparts just stack the deck in your favor, but it expires February 28th. You've got one day. Let's talk about the breaking news. Here's the deal. If you join Gigaparts Rewards Plus right now, you get 50% off membership using my code HamShackTV50. That's HamShackTV50. And there's more. You get a 10% off coupon for your next purchase. But that purchase must be made by February 28, 2026. That means you join, you wait for the 10% coupon to hit your email, then you make your purchase. That's on top of 4 times rewards points that Rewards Plus gets you, a perpetual warranty, an extended return period. If you're already planning to buy a radio, an amplifier, a computer, antenna, power supply, anything sizable, this is the moment. Don't wait. This right now is the moment to make that purchase. Smart operators plan ahead. You don't leave money on the table. You don't pay full price when there's leverage available. This is the leverage. Step 1, go to gigaparts.com. Step 2, join Rewards Plus. Step 3, use coupon code HamShackTV50 to get 50% off your first month. Step 4, immediately watch your email for your 10% coupon. Step 5, make your purchase before midnight, February 28th, 2026. That's it. It's as simple as that. Tomorrow night, this is gone. No extensions. No, I'll do it later. No second chances. If you're upgrading your shack in 2026, this is the cheapest way to start. Check out the link in the description, gigaparts.com, and use coupon code HamShackTV50 for 50% off your first month of Gigaparts Rewards Plus. Hey, if you're not interested in Rewards Plus, that's fine. I can still get you double rewards points if you just use the coupon code HamShackTV at checkout. It's only if you're not doing Rewards Plus, but if you do Gigaparts Rewards Plus, make sure that you use coupon code HamShackTV50. HamShackTV50. Guys, don't forget you can shop them online, gigaparts.com, or shop in your shop in your socks at gigaparts.com. But if you're in the Huntsville, Alabama area, stop by their showroom, beautiful store, 6123 University Avenue in Huntsville, Alabama. Appreciate Gigaparts' support of Hamshack TV. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. 73 884 WX WSCB 693.